Tiga, tiga, tiga. Oke, tulak mo. Oke. Oke, babulok lang naman yung ano. Oke. Tulak. Baba, parang tulak. Oke, tulak. Oke, babulok lang naman yung... Sige pa. Sige pa. Picture. Picture lang po. Ha? Picture lang po.
I cannot move.
It's here!
Yay!
Alright guys, so the couch is here. Dun dun dun. Nice in boxes. We'll take it. Nice guys delivered. Pretty heavy. We had to move some things around. Nothing's broken, no. I have to redo some of these bolts and screws though. That popped off.
Which one? Oh, really?
Yeah, because it was just not big enough.
Which one?
The rivets.
Okay, so you can fix it.
Yeah,
Okay.
but they're not going to be black rivets anymore. I just have to paint them.
Because it's hard not.
So, it's time to unbox.
Oh my god, it's so big. Hala, baby. Let's try. Wait. No, because it's box naman. I thought it's not gonna fit.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay. So this piece is for one of the shoulder pieces or the end of the couch. So you want one metal facing this way, and then you have one metal one facing that way. What you want to do is there are slots right here, and then right here are two little areas. Give me my phone. Right behind you. I'll take a picture of it later.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so what you want to do is make sure you have one metal on the outside here. The other metal one will be on the outside over there. That'll be for your bolsters. Then you take these right here and you slide this piece on top of that. Okay, and you'll see it locks in. If you ever have to take it off again, push that down, it'll unlock it, you can lift it up. Now it locks like so. Just goes in, push, and now it's locked in. Then you take your pouch and you pull it nice and pretty. And now we do it with the other ones. Just hang it next to one of them.
This one?
Whichever one it is. That's the center. Good job. Then we'll put the center one in, same way. Last one, please. Careful, we have metal on the side. And just like the last one over there, we're going to snap this one in place.
Wow, it's really cool. I think it's very long now. We don't need this.
Huh? She's been trying to get me to put this ugly couch over there at the same time.
It's enough pala ho.
Not done yet. Got little bolsters, whatever they're called. It's the piece up here on the end. Technically, if you didn't want them, you could leave them off, but why would you do that? You paid for it.
Hi.
This one's on your side. I'm assuming. So it looks like this track slides inside of the other track here. I don't think you guys can see me. So I'll show you the other one. Maybe come record. I'm gonna put the other one on. But I know they couldn't see. So if you go behind it.
0.5.
Sure. So you take this track, you slide this track inside of it. And honestly, it may have been easier while these were off, but that's why I wanted you to get behind it. Slide it in,
Wow.
push it down. Now, there you go. The next piece, just stay where you are.
First, what's that?
These are
The armrest?
Armrests. They Velcro and obviously foam. So if they ever go bad, you shove new foam in it.
How about this?
I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna zip it on. And of course they put the zipper upside down. Would have made much more sense. Okay, this is the other side. still upside down, but they should have put this piece up here. And then just like a zipper. Take your Velcro. And readjust it later after you're sitting. It'll settle in more.
It can
And of course, when you
also
lay that back,
be a pillow.
you could take it off and make it a pillow. Yes, ma'am. Now I'm gonna do the other side here. Push that Velcro down on it.
What else?
That's it. Couch is assembled.
How about the...
You're done.
Okay.
Now, recliner you want to leave away from the wall just a little bit. We'll have to figure out how far this has to be. So, boom. You're first.
Okay.
Try it.
Where's the recliner?
On the side there. Little watch. Here we go. Oh. There you go. Try it.
Where's the recliner?
On the side there. Little watch. Here we go. Pull. There you go.
Wow!
Now lean back. Push. 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 Push.
It's enough na.
But it goes more. Push. I need to see how far back it goes. Oh, my weak little wife. There you go. That means stay where you are. I can push the couch right about there.
Okay.
Leaving room for reclining completely.
Yeah, we cannot put nga the other sofa there.
So that's about how much space we have.
Okay.
You see the difference? It reclines, so it goes back about 2 inches.
How about this middle? This one?
Does not recline.
Okay, and then...
There we go.
And then if I don't want like the recline...
Push your feet down. Sit up and push your feet in.
Wait. Ah! Just me.
There you go. Is that the first time you've been in a recliner?
Yeah.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Oh my god.
This is my first time.
And then of course, ta-da! And then on the sides, you've got your lever, and then you've got a little pouch down here that can be for the remote control and stuff. This will go upstairs. There'll be a spare bed for our nieces and nephews and my sister-in-law and anybody else that wants to visit us, or at least pass out drunk here in case there's a night there like that. But all right, there we go, guys. Good thing. Are we happy?
Yes!
All right. I'm definitely happy. So,
Thank you to our sponsor.
thank you, Auntie. Thank you, Flotti, for being honest and letting us know. It's easier just to have it done through Shopee and get coupons and get insurance. Now, the insurance on these, if you want them, only lasts for 3 months.
Oh my god.
Not 1 year like some of the other electronics. And as you can see, a Filipina can lay down and take a nap completely.
You like it? Oh, you try na pala. You try.
Yeah, let me get that.
Please.
Oh, so nice.
I think it's not gonna...
What?
I'm the recliner. This is my first time to sit or not to sit, to use it.
Good night. Just like that. You take your pillow and put it right here. Don't avoid it. Pillow right here. So then, the downside. It's fake leather, whatever you want to call it, which still looks nice, but you'll stick to it. If you're sweaty, you'll stick.
You see, there's sweat.
Yeah, and it'll leave little sweat marks, but it won't stain like fabric will. Fabric would stain. It leaves a little yellow marks on it, even inside the cushion. If you can't see it, it starts to stain. This is so much comfortable.
Okay.
Even without full recline, I still need something. They never put these bags big enough for your heads. And I don't want to be like this.
Yeah. We have
Alexa, turn off couch.
And we have the excess space.
Okay.
Actually. More people.
Yeah, that's what I said, about 5-6 Filipinos. Now, I'm curious. Get out of the way. Move! Move! A 6-foot-tall man can go to sleep on this. Love it. Yes. I'm not even on the side piece. Oh, so comfortable. It better be for 28,000 pesos. About $500 in today's transfer.
Okay.
So, we're all set. Ooh. Terrible lighting. Sorry, guys. But we're all done. We're all set. We're happy. Thank you, Flotti. Thank you, the guys over there, or ofix. We love it. We're going to use it. And we'll let you guys know how it is. Until then, have fun. Bye-bye. Subscribe.